Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Rihanna. Here to show you a 1984 El Camino Super Sport Designer Edition. It's black with a burgundy interior, 350 small block with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. It does have disc brake conversions in the front, and it has a body kit for the front spoiler along with the side pipes down the side. It's got an original set of Cragar wheels on her with beautiful black paint and a nice spray and bed liner. Very cool. You just don't see a lot of these SS's. Tilt steering, power windows, power door locks. Let's take it for a ride. You guys, a test drive 1984 El Camino SS. Here's the side pipes. All right. I don't think there's a horn in this particular car. We do have a working RPM gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure gauge, temperature gauge, fuel gauge. Let's see if the speedometer works. And speedometer. So they all work. Steering feels real nice and tight. Shifting's real smooth. Brakes feel good. Again, this has got a front disc brakes on it. Drums in the rear. Plenty to get up and go. I'm gonna take it down here, run through a couple gears. She feels real good. We'll take her back, put her on a lift, get some undercarriage videos. Come and check it out.